If I've been seeing Skin by Zaron, yes, this particular body lotion all over your FYP, and you're wondering if it is worth the hype, then this is a product review on Skin by Zaron Vitamin C Body Lotion. Drum rolls! Hi, my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's the favorite girl, Amarachi Favy, and if today is the very first day you're seeing me on your screen, you're welcome to my channel. Over here, we talk about skincare. I am so concerned about your skin, and I love to talk about skincare. Okay, so you might want to subscribe to this channel because you have a lot to learn about your skin. Okay, if you want to glow up this 2026, this is a channel that you should subscribe to. And subscribing to this channel, like I used to say, is absolutely free. And like I tell you, you would have a good time and you will gain knowledge, pure knowledge, when it comes to skincare, feminine hygiene, and how to just glow up as a lady in general. This is another product review. Okay, I decided to keep the particular body lotion. As you can see, it is still sealed. Okay, so we're going to be getting the first impression and all, although I've used body lotion before. Okay, I've used it before. If you're an OG, you should know, but this is a 2026 first impression of Skin by Zaron Vitamin C Body Lotion, and I'm going to tell you all you need to know if you really need to purchase this body lotion or not. Okay, so the very first thing you're going to be looking into will have to be the ingredient, because over here we teach skincare. I want you to know the ingredients that are in the body lotion or whatever product that you are getting, so that you would know if the particular body lotion is capable of doing whatever hype you are seeing on the social media or not. I'm going to pick the most important 5 ingredients that it contains and just break it down for you guys. Okay, so the first thing is that it contains alpha arbutin, and alpha arbutin is a melanin inhibitor, which means you are not going to be producing excessive melanin. We, the Nigerians, okay, we have melanin on our skin. Okay, that is what gives us color or pigmentation, whichever one you choose to call it. And when you overproduce melanin, you are going to be having uneven skin tone. Your skin will not be even because your skin will not be able to produce the right melanin on this and this and this. Do you understand? So if you're using particular body lotion, it contains alpha arbutin, which should help to inhibit that excessive melanin production so that your skin will not be uneven. Do you understand now? So if you struggle with dark knees, dark elbow, dark feet, body hyperpigmentation in general, this particular body lotion is for you. It also contains kojic acid, which is a very good brightening ingredient that helps to get rid of dull skin, helps to get rid of dark spots, and just make your skin to glow like never before. Okay, when there is alpha arbutin and kojic acid in the same products, I will always purchase, because they would help to just give you a same skin tone. They are known for their brightening properties, that is the alpha arbutin and the kojic, but when they are being paired together, they are nothing but banger. Like they bang, they make your skin to bang, for your skin to eat, for your skin to clock it. It also contains niacinamide, which is vitamin B3. This is one of my best skincare ingredients, okay? Because niacinamide will help to improve the elasticity of your skin. It will help to improve your skin texture and just make your skin texture to feel very soft, smooth, okay? And very silky. For your skin to glow like those ones that you watch on the television set, okay? Those kind of skin that I use for product advertisement, your skin will literally look like them. This is the work of niacinamide. Niacinamide also in general helps to get rid of hyperpigmentation, although mildly, okay? Mildly. But in general, it will also support the kojic and the alpha arbutin to work hand in hand and just give you a flawless looking skin. It also contains vitamin C, okay, obviously, Skin by Zaron Vitamin C Brightening and Moisturizing Body Lotion. The vitamin C there is not for decoration. The vitamin C will serve as an antioxidant that would help to brighten up your skin. So if you're struggling with a dull skin, okay, the particular body lotion will also brighten up your skin because it contains vitamin C. It also contains collagen, which would help to improve your skin elasticity, like I used to say, and also help your skin to feel plump and for your skin not to be very, very dry. Because once your skin is hydrated, moisturized, what do we say on this channel? It equals to a glowy skin. Your skin will literally glow up. Okay, it also contains vitamin E, okay, which is a very good vitamin when it comes to hydrating and also making your skin to, you know, look plump and firm. Okay, the collagen will help your skin to look firm. Like if you are someone that is struggling with a saggy skin, lay your hands on this particular body lotion. And if you also want to brighten your skin, obviously you should lay your hand on this particular body lotion. It promises to brighten and moisturize your skin. We're going to get to that, okay? But these are the ingredients that it contains. So now let us look at the body, okay? The body is very, very good as a container. I like the colors, I like the fonts, I like how it is written, I like the pick of colors, the white, the black, the orange. And mind you, this is from a Nigerian brand. We are trying these days, aren't we? And the first time I used the body lotion, their dispensing cap was not really strong. Okay, so along the line the dispensing cap spoiled. I don't know, maybe until I use it, then I will know. If it breaks again, then I will know that they did not pay attention to that again. But one thing I like about the container is that it's very strong. Okay, it's something that you can use, and it also has this scratch pin here, which I have not scratched, but I will scratch and insert this screenshot on the screen. Okay, I think this has to do with knowing if you purchase the original, but obviously if you shop from Skin Trust, you should just be rest assured that you are purchasing nothing but the original product, and that is on period. So now I'm going to be opening up this body lotion so that we can get to see the texture, the feel, and the consistency of the body lotion itself. Once you remove this, which is a stopper, the product will actually come out, which is this way. Okay, as you can see, the consistency is very light for me. I'm going to be applying it on this other hand. Let me apply it so that you guys can see. Although I took out a lot, so it does not take time for it to blend into your skin. Okay, it does not take time at all. The consistency is light. It smells so good. This particular lotion smells very good, and I would recommend you use it only at night because of the powerful ingredient that it contains. Okay, there is no how you should be using this lotion in the morning. Please only use it at night. And I like the glow that comes from it. I don't know if it is focusing enough. Okay, it is so nice. It smells good. I love the fact that we Nigerians are actually trying these days to like produce something that is very good, and this particular lotion is part of it. I just hope it's focusing so that you guys can get a proper look on how the lotion blended in perfectly into my skin. Okay, so as long as you're exfoliating your skin, as long as your skin is good, there's no how this lotion will not blend into your skin. So when it comes to the price, okay, who wants to know, it ranges for 18 to 20,000 naira depending on your location. For me, the price is good because the quantity is also very big. This lotion will help to hydrate, firm, and brighten up your skin. If you want me to give you the result of what I was able to get in 4 weeks of constant use, like I said, I'm going to only be using it at night, remember, okay? Then leave a comment in the comment section. Based on its ingredients, okay, this body lotion is specific for those who want to get rid of the hyperpigmentation, who wants to fight uneven skin tone, who wants gradual brightening without bleaching, okay, and people that want to even out their uneven skin tone, people that want to firm their skin and just glow up in general. Okay, I would recommend this body lotion for such people. So if you have watched particular points of the video and you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, if it was educating for you, if you learned a thing or two, okay, remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you get notified once I upload a new video. Remember to leave a comment in the comment section to ask me any question in case you're confused. I'll be ready to answer your questions, okay? And if you know you want to see any other thing, maybe improvement, what I think after a month or two of constant usage, you can also drop it in the comment section and I will gladly answer all your questions or make a detailed video on that. Remember to share this video, share it to your loved ones, even your enemies, anyone. Please share the video to such people that love skincare, and remember to give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget, please like this video, and until next time, my love, stay glowy and bye.